Hello and welcome back to Angieland, the place for all things creative, crafty, and cute. Today we are going to be checking out some outfits and trying to decide if they are Youvimi or if they're a good knockoff. So we're going to get started right now with this outfit here. So this outfit, as you can see, has this lovely wig. This wig is half black and half pink. The bangs are also half and half, but they're a little long for me, so I swooshed them to the side. I will show you the back of the wig and the outfit. We also have this shirt that it's actually just one shirt, so it's like black and white, and then you have this one over it. And then over that, I've gone ahead and put this corset, and I will show you my pants. These are the pants and the shoes. They are plaid with just a little bit of green running through them. And then these shoes are just black and they lace up. So, leave in the comments below, do you think anything from this outfit is from Youvimi? Or do you think all these things are just great knockoffs? Or maybe one of them's from Youvimi and the other one is a knockoff? Who knows? Leave it in the comments below and we'll get started with the next outfit. Next outfit we have is this right here. We're gonna keep the wig on because I think it's cute and it goes with everything. So first we have this awesome top that is holey. No, it doesn't go to church, but it has holes in it. I absolutely love it. It's, you know, fairly tight and it just like hugs my body, and I absolutely love it. Underneath I'm just wearing a little black little tank top. That's mine. I mean, all these are mine, but that one came from like Walmart or something. Then we have these cute little pants. They're flared bottoms. They are so soft. Like, I am surprised at how soft they are, and they are so comfortable. And then I'm wearing my same shoes. So let me stand back so you can see the pants. And I will stand up on something for you to see them as well. And let me show you the back of the outfit. Also, we must not forget this cute little heart choker that goes perfectly with my hair, or my wig, shall we say. And speaking of wigs, I'm wigging out because I want to show you the next outfit. So let's check it out. Check out this shirt. I absolutely love it. It is so cute and it goes really well with this necklace. The neckline is a little bit stretchy. Well, not stretchy, but it has like a drawstring that you can pull, so you can adjust it however you'd like. It really works to accentuate the bust area if you are small in that part. Like I said before, I'm leaving the wig on because this is my wig for the day. We also have these pants that my cat crawled on, so there's hair if you look real close. Please don't look close, please. But we have these nice little pants. They're the same as the other ones. They're super soft and they are bell-bottomed or a flared bottom. So let me stand back and you can check out the outfit. I also have these lovely shoes that you can't see because these pants are too long. But we also have these shoes. And hair in my mouth. And these are just some shiny, they're actually sandals, but I'm wearing stockings with them, so I think that's okay. In the comments, let me know, do you ever wear sandals and then wear like tights or stockings or something with them? Or are sandals only supposed to be worn, like open toe, only supposed to be worn if you have bare feet? So let me know what you think. I'll wear tights with my sandals if I like the shoes enough and it's not raining. So let me show you the rest of the outfit. I will show you the back. And go ahead and vote for your favorite outfit in the comments below. And then don't forget which one of these is from Youvimi, or is anything that I'm wearing now from Youvimi. Leave it in the comments below. Next outfit. And here is the last outfit. So we have the jacket. We also have the dress. This is a corset that goes all the way around. We have the knee highs and the shoes. So let me show you what it looks like underneath. And underneath we have this spaghetti strap dress with these awesome lace-up gloves. I think they are so freaking cute. Like, whoever developed these, invented these, made these, I know they're probably for cosplay and I don't care. I love them. They are just like so darn cute. I think I might have to lace them up a little tighter, but they're cute. I love them and I'm going to wear them out. So let me show you a couple other things about the outfit. First of all, I do have tights underneath that are spiderweb, and then I did throw some thigh highs on top of that. This corset laces up right here, and you could change the color of the lace. And then in the back, it actually just snaps up. So it makes it really easy to put on and take off. It also has elastic right through here, so it can stretch a little bit if you had too much for dinner last night, like I did. So go ahead and write in the comments, what do you think is from Youvimi and what is just a knockoff? What am I fooling you with? Alright, so we are at the end of the video, and now I'm going to spoil what was Youvimi. And I'll tell you, it was only one thing. It's the wig I'm wearing. Everything else was from another place, such as Walmart or the thrift store or Amazon, and you can check out those hauls to see what those items are priced at and things like that. This far in the video, you must have got some kind of value, so go ahead and hit the thumbs up. It will really help my channel. And then if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell, that will help you get notified every time I post a new video. And I post multiple videos a week, so I can keep you entertained for hours on end. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!